Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore heat pump efficiency using car scanner routines, full guide step by step clearly. To restore heat pump efficiency using car scanner routines, begin by ensuring the vehicle is parked on a level surface. Next, access the car scanner application on your smartphone or tablet. Connect the device to the OBD2 port of your vehicle using a compatible Bluetooth adapter. Once connected, launch the app and navigate to the Live Data section. In this section, you will find various parameters related to the heat pump system. Monitor the temperature readings for the inlet and outlet of the heat pump. Check for any abnormal temperature differences that could indicate inefficiency. Record these readings for future reference. Next, navigate to the Diagnostic Trouble Codes menu in the app. Scan for any error codes that may indicate issues with the heat pump. If any codes are found, make note of them and research their meanings. Address any identified problems according to the manufacturer's recommended solutions. After resolving any issues, clear the diagnostic trouble codes using the app. Next, perform a heat pump system reset within the car scanner app. Follow the prompts to reset the system, allowing it to recalibrate. Once the reset is complete, check the live data readings again. Observe the temperature variations after the reset to ensure they are within acceptable ranges. If the readings have improved, your heat pump efficiency should be restored. Regularly monitor the system using the car scanner app to maintain optimal performance. Finally, consider developing a routine maintenance schedule for your heat pump. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.